girls, Crafty Carol here with a brand new craft for you right here at Cool School. Today we're making... It's time to get our crafting hands ready. So now that we have everything assembled, let's get started! Keep going! Next step. Right over there. Gotta keep going. One more thing. All right, keep it up, keep going. Good job. There we go. All right, next step. Yay! Super glittery. Don't stop now, keep going, keep it up. That looks great! Wow! You gotta love glitter. And now it's time for the last step! And ta-da! I love it! So there you have it! If you make this craft, I want to see how it turns out. Have your grown-up take a pic, post it to Instagram, make sure you tag @CoolSchoolShow and tag me, #CraftyCarol. Now comment below to tell me what craft you want to see next, and make sure you hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you never miss a craft. I'll see you next time, bye!